It's wild. I love it. Welcome back to Andy Cooks, guys, and today we are with Lucy, the green buyer from St. Ali Coffee, and she's going to run us through what a modern roastery looks like. Lucy.
Alrighty. Well, here we are standing in front of this beautiful little roaster. This is where we turn all the coffee from this lovely green stuff into brown.
That looks a bit better than the stuff I grew.
Yeah, a little bit better. So this one comes from Guatemala. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous coffee.
Yeah.
It's a really labor-intensive product to try and get to your end cup. And so we need to craft beautiful coffees using machines like this. We have to really take care of what's happening with the heat, what's happening with the temperatures throughout, how are we using the flame and the airflow and all of that sort of thing to create the absolute best product that we possibly can.
And how much coffee can you roast in one of these at once?
Well, this guy here is a 5 kilo roaster, so it's a tiny one.
Okay.
Yeah, we normally only put 1.5 kilos in here, which gets you out just over 1 kilo, and it'll take you about 16 minutes from start to finish to get the perfect cup.
Wow, so it loses, what's that? My maths is bad, 15% in moisture loss.
Yeah, up the chimney.
No wonder it's so expensive.
Exactly.
Why don't you show me one of your bigger roasters?
Okay, come this way. How's this for big?
Wow.
The big boy.
Wow, and how many kilos can you do in here?
120.
120.
120 kilos in this big boy. This is a production roaster.
Okay.
So this big guy, this is all computer controlled.
Right.
And the beautiful thing about this is we have consistency. So you know, every day when you go and get your cup of coffee, right, from the cafe down the road or wherever it is, we want to have the same cup of coffee every day. We want it to taste pretty much the same.
And then when we're talking about blends of coffee, are they blended before they're roasted or after?
In this roastery, we always blend everything afterwards.
So what's this massive contraption here?
Okay, so once we've roasted everything individually, we put them up in these silos. And then we use the computer system to tell the silos how much to release into this big tank at the bottom to make up our blend. So we might have, I don't know, 60% of something, 40% of something else, and make sure it puts the right amounts in there, and then it blends it all up together, and then we can pack it off and send it off.
And what's your favourite blend?
The favourite of what we do is Orthodox.
Orthodox?
Absolutely, yeah.
It's been around a while, that blend, hasn't it?
Orthodox is like, it's our house blend. It's what we founded everything on. It's St. Ali.
St. Ali.
Yeah.
Should we go taste some coffee?
Yeah, let's go taste some coffee.
Awesome.
Okay, we're just going to fill these cups all the way up to the top.
Yep. And then how long do we let it brew for?
We're going to let it brew for 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Yeah. Okay. So once it's all wet, we want to have a little smell. I mean, we smelt all the grind before. It gives us a little indication.
Yep.
And then we just want to smell it again.
Yep.
Just to get a little bit more of an indication.
It's crazy how different they are. It's actually crazy.
Yeah, even just an aroma.
Just
you haven't
an
even
aroma.
tasted them yet.
Yeah, like that's wild. Like wild.
Okay, so we're hitting 4 minutes.
Okay, you have to teach me how to cut properly.
Grab a spoon.
Grab a spoon.
Yeah, first of all. We want to wet the spoon so it's nice and warm.
Okay.
And then what we want to do is break the crust.
Okay.
So you get your nose in.
Yep.
And we're going to stir 3 times like we're paddling a boat, right? 1, 2, 3. Smelling all the time at those little burst bubbles.
Yep.
Smell the back of the spoon. Rinse your spoon, and that is called the break.
Okay.
Step 1 is the scrape, and you can give this a go if you like.
Sure.
It's fun. You're going to need
2 spoons.
2 spoons and a cup. 1 spoon goes under the other spoon. We pick it all up and dump it. And we've just cleaned the top of the cup.
Okay.
Well, we should have cleaned it.
We should have.
Basically what we're going to do, again, we wet our spoon.
Yep.
We take a little bit.
Yep.
We're going to get a little bit of a run up. It's going to be quite loud here. Ready? Get it into your mouth. Give it a little bit of a chew.
A chew?
Yeah, a little chew.
Okay, cool.
And then spit it out. Unless you want to be overly caffeinated.
Actually insane. I can't get over just how insane that coffee tastes. It's like nothing I've ever tasted. I'll let you do the good one.
All right. I mean, they're all good ones.
Yes.
It's not discriminating.
It's not discriminating.
By the time we get that green coffee, right, it's at its absolute best. The only thing we can do is start taking away from it. Our thing when we're roasting is we're trying to take away as little as possible.
Sure.
And we're trying not to destroy the product that the producers work so hard to give us.
Yeah.
So everything has to go right.
What a fickle little thing.
Coffee's a bit of a princess, really.
Lucy, thank you so much for taking us on this journey today. I really appreciate it.
It's an absolute pleasure.
And I look forward to going to Origin with you very soon.
Excellent. Let's do it.
Cheers, guys. We'll see you next week for another video. Peace. I'm going to taste that coffee again.
Nice.